In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Gumroad. This process is essential for anyone who wants to streamline their payment systems on Gumroad, allowing you to seamlessly receive payments through PayPal, one of the most widely used payment methods globally. So, let's dive in. To kick things off, let's head over to the Gumroad website. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that first. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu. Here, you'll find several options listed out. We are interested in accessing your settings, so look for the tab labeled Settings and click on it. This will open up your account settings page. This page is crucial as it houses all your relevant account preferences, payment options, and other settings integral to managing your Gumroad account. Upon reaching the settings page, you'll notice there are several sub-menus laid out for various aspects of your account. Locate and click on the Payments option. This will navigate you to the Payment Setup section. Within this area, you're able to manage the various payment methods that you can offer through your Gumroad platform. Our focus today is on integrating PayPal, so let's move ahead with that. On this Payment Setup page, seek out the option for PayPal and give it a click. This action leads you directly to the PayPal integration page, specifically designed to set up and manage PayPal as one of your available payment options. Here is where the crucial part of the process takes place: linking your PayPal account. At the PayPal setup page, it's essential to accurately input your PayPal details. You'll be prompted to enter your PayPal email address here. Make sure you type it in carefully, checking for any typos or errors. This information is paramount since it directs where your incoming payments will be deposited. It's a good idea to double-check this before moving on, as this ensures that the payments reach your PayPal account smoothly. To wrap up, what we covered today are the straightforward steps, starting from navigating to Gumroad's homepage, logging into your account, proceeding to the Settings and Payments section, and finally, adding in your PayPal details. Taking these few moments to configure your settings accurately can significantly ease your payment process, making transactions through Gumroad and PayPal smooth and efficient. If you ever feel uncertain, remember, you can always return to these settings to make any necessary adjustments. By following the steps outlined today, integrating PayPal with your Gumroad account becomes a hassle-free experience, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters: growing your online store. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy selling.